Hello everyone. So for today's tutorial, I am wearing the Boo Boo Moose Shaper, which has the stuffing on the top and sides as well as the back, and our beautiful suede wrap in the shade Wine. I am going to start off by putting the wrap on with both tails even lengths, and then I'm going to put it on at an angle. You could put it straight across if you feel like that suits you better. I feel like the angle look suits my face shape better, which is why I am doing it this way. And I crisscross the tails in the back. Then I am folding this side, the tails into thirds, like so. And I am bringing it right across. And then I'm gonna leave this tail here. Then we are going to work with this side. Again, folding it into thirds, bringing it up and over. I don't want it to overlap too much here. I'm like taking it a little bit further back. There we go, overlapping. And then before I take these two to the back, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna feel and see if anything needs to be tucked right here. Okay, then we're gonna take these two to the back and we are going to make a knot. Okay, again, feel through, see if anything needs to be tucked. And then here you have it. Really classic. I like the angles, I like the pleats. And then I especially like this wrap because the little short tails just add a little bit of depth and dimension to the overall look. I'll just generally like fan it out a little bit, just like this, so you see it from the back. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed.